At number 5, we have the DJI Osmo Mobile SE. This is our 5th ranked pick, but is still a great choice for those on a budget. It stands out for its lightweight, foldable design and magnetic quick-release system, making it incredibly portable and easy to set up. Its 3-axis stabilization ensures smooth, shake-free footage even during dynamic movement, while the high-torque brushless motor compensates for shifts with precision. The Active Track 5.0 feature excels at keeping subjects in focus, even in crowded or fast-paced environments, and can quickly resume tracking if the subject re-enters the frame. Switching between horizontal and vertical modes is seamless with a single button press, and the built-in status panel simplifies mode selection and battery monitoring. The gimbal supports creative modes like time-lapse, motion-lapse, and hyperlapse, with templates available in the DJI Mimo app for effortless editing. With a battery life of up to 8 hours and intuitive controls, the Osmo Mobile SE is a versatile tool for creating professional-quality smartphone videos.